Here, what we discussed in the sense, in the last session, I explained what the role of full stack developer, the role of data analyst, the role of data scientist. If you want to enter into software company, if you want to enter into software company, at present, we have three options available. One is what? Either you can plan for data analyst, or you can plan for what? So full stack Python, or you can plan for data science. These are the three options available, right? So now let me explain overview yesterday topic. 5 minutes I will explain, then I will continue to the topic. To get a job in IT sector, if you want to get a job in IT sector, your first target is first try to understand what are the options we have. Option number one, we can go for full stack Python. At present, this is more demand, guys, for freshers. At present, there is more demand for freshers. Just now one person came and he went, actually, is your previous batch. Already got the job. He just came here today, week of now, he just informed. So the confirmation, first 3 months provision period, after 3 months, confirmation, guys. Just came now and he said, sir, his job is confirmed. So just we got the mail, that information he gave me and he went, guys. So Python full stack has huge demand at present, guys. Python full stack is huge demand for freshers. Fresher in the sense, if your pass out is 2022, 23, 24, 25, all are freshers only. Or you are intermediate candidate, you are switching for BTech running candidate. Otherwise, you are what you are planning for, go for abroad, maybe US, UK, Canada, like some other country. Then better to choose what full stack Python. So this is right now huge openings are available for full stack Python. Huge openings are available. This is the first thing we have to learn. Otherwise, sir, next most popular thing is data analysis, also called data analytics, also called business analytics. Either full stack Python, otherwise go for what? Data analysis or data analyst or business analyst. All names are same, guys. So either this one or this one, anyone you can choose as a fresher. Huge demand is there in the market. The next place go for what? Data science. Next to go place goes for data science. So data science also openings available, but the problem is in data science, there are a lot of areas involved, guys. The word itself says that data science, only one small word, right? Guys, here, anyone planning for data science? Anyone planning for data science here? Yes, my online guys. Anyone planning for data science? Ping me answer in chat box. Anyone planning for data science? Ping me answer in our chat box. Good. Actually, data science is very good, no issues. But the problem is what? You have to focus on multiple areas. And as a fresher, I repeat, as a fresher, if you kept a data scientist in your resume, you never get a job on data scientist role, because data scientist is a highest role, guys. Without having experience, it is very difficult to get data scientist role. Instead of that, if anyone planning for data science, if you learn data science, in your resume, mention ML engineer. So machine learning engineer or AI developer, like a specific word you have to mention, don't mention data science. Because a data science is a combination of so machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, NLP, and AI, generative AI, like different things combination. So immediately you never get as a fresher job. So be careful before preparing your resume, right? Whenever you're submitting resume, once show your resume to Asma. Okay, either me, otherwise your mentors available in the lab. You have to show your resume to me, otherwise mentors. So we'll check your resume. Then if everything is okay, then we said upload into portals. Then we have to upload the portal, right? First we'll verify any changes required. Will guide you how to do changes. Then do the changes, then upload in the portals. No changes required. Then I said go for upload. Then upload and you will get the calls. Whenever you get a call, how to handle the call? that also I will explain. How to handle the call, that also I will explain. Follow the instruction, do it, we'll have interview schedule. Then go there and prepare. Already you prepared here. Show your talent, you will get the job. This is our actual work, guys, right? So these are the three things. What? Python full stack. Second one is what? Python, what full stack Python, data analysis, and what data science. Now, next target is what? To learn these things. To learn these things. So, what is a roadmap? To learn these things, what is a roadmap? What are the course you selected? What are the course you selected? Your first target is what? Everyone will expect what? One programming language. So whatever the role it might be, one programming language mandatory. The programming language is called what? Python. Sir, the programming language is Python. Done. Sir, why I have to learn Python only? Why not other programming language? In the market, we have what? C language available, C++ available, Java available, .NET available, Linux available. Like we have multiple languages available, multiple things available in the market. But why I have to choose Python only? The reason is, first reason, sir, Java, .NET, C, C++, all other languages, syntax is heavy syntax. The coding is heavy coding. To develop the program, it takes more time takes more time, and it's very difficult to the coding, guys. So we are what? Some people are IT background, some people are non-IT background, some people IT only, but we don't have that much of logical skills. So learning that one, spending more time, it's a very difficult task. So to make your coding easy, what they did, they introduced a language, the language called Python. Python is a user-friendly language. It's very easy to learn. This is a first reason for the sake of us. But company point of view, interview point of view, another answer is there. After finishing up this one, I will explain. Okay. And second one, second reason is why I have to go for Python only. Sir, why I have to go for Python only? The second reason I already showed you yesterday. Once again, observe. So TIOBE. So this is one international company. So according to this company, observe the topmost leading things. At present, topmost leading course is what? Python. Almost 25.35% is rating comes for Python. Remaining observe 9.9.94. But Python has 25. This is the right now the number one leading in the market. So if you learn Python, your future is safe, because the coming jobs, the future jobs completely depends on what? Python. So this analysis, guys, that is not my website, not our institute website. We are not doing anything here. That is one international website. They are doing survey. According to the survey, they give the result, right? And even you can go for Stack Overflow. According to Stack Overflow survey, this is also one of the most popular website, guys. According to Stack Overflow survey, here you can check technology related things I need. So at present, almost what? So observe, JavaScript, this is what? Okay, all respond, not all. Learning to code, coding purpose. Coding is main task. According to coding, this programming language coding is there. According to coding, the first priority go for what? Your Python. Almost 66.4% are focusing on Python only. The reason is very simple. It is very easy. There's a reason people are looking for Python, right? So if you want to enter into software jobs, if your target is software job, you should have one programming language. The language called Python, guys. Done. Second point. So here all the data, actually all the data stored into a database. So you should understand how to store the data, how to get the data, how to perform operations. For that purpose, you have to learn a language called database. You should have knowledge on database also. Python is a programming language, database also we have to learn. Let's remember under database, what I have to learn? So under database, we have different types of databases available in the market. Different types. Like if I want to purchase a laptop, If I want to purchase a laptop, what happened? Sir, Lenovo, HP, Dell, Acer, multiple companies available. Multiple companies, they provided what? Different laptops. Same way, here also in the market, we have different types of databases available in the market. Sir, what are the different types of databases? So SQLite is one database. Sir, SQL Server is one database. Sir, MySQL is one database. Sir, next PostgreSQL is one database. Oracle is one database. Like we have multiple databases available. Sir, these are multiple different companies. These are what different companies providing these databases. Different companies providing. One company given SQLite, one company giving SQL Server, one company giving what? MySQL. Like that, different companies providing different database. Your target is what? Sir, I have to work with these databases. Fine, good. If you want to work with these databases, you need to learn one language. The language is called what? SQL. So SQL is a language. I repeat, my SQL is a language. The purpose of SQL is what? SQL is used to communicate with what? Your database. SQL is a language which is used to communicate with your database. That means what? Python required programming language, Python. Sir, storage purpose, database required. So I have to learn one language. What language? SQL. As for our classes, I will explain what minimum 2 to 3 databases I will explain to you. Not one database. Because tomorrow if you go to company, we don't know which database they are using. So I will explain not one database, 2 to 3 database I will explain. And tomorrow if you get any new database into your company, how to handle it, that also I will explain to you guys. How to handle different types of databases, I will explain to you. Don't worry, right? Done. After this, our target is what? Guys, Python database done. Sir, I want to become a full stack Python. Oh, you want to become full stack Python? Then your main target is what? Application development. If you want to become a full stack developer, I have to develop these type of application. Sir, Amazon, I want to develop. How to develop? By using what ma? Your, your full stack Python required. So browser, server, database, like this we have option. So for that purpose, here let's see. If your target is full stack Python, you need to learn UI technology required. UI means what? Front end, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, and React.js. These things required. Observe how many areas covered. So one programming language covered. So what is the purpose of programming language? Programming language purpose is they are used for logics. If you want to build the logics, then we can go for programming language, right? Sir, UI means what? Front end. To display the data, what is required? The front end is required. To store the data, what is required? Your database is required, right? I'll show you one small example. Observe. Now, what happened here? This is my browser. This is what my browser is. In my browser, I typed API status. Observe, one page is open. Very good. So now here what happened? The interaction between a browser and a server. That's it. Interaction between browser server. Here I typed. Sir, I have traveled from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. So and so date. Click on what? Check availability. Done. Now processing, that means what? A request went to the server, from server went to the database, collecting the data. Now here observe how your programming language is useful. Now let me choose one area. Select one area. Guys, what is the ticket cost? 785 rupees 40 paise. Observe, 785 rupees 45 paise is a 40 paise is a ticket cost, right? Let me enter the details. Remember this cost. So name, gender, male. So name. So Venkat, age 10 years. Not my age, old dummy age. Okay, na? 10 years. Now observe the amount. 640. In previous, you said that 700 or something change. Okay, let me change the things. Age, sir, 13 years. Now observe, again 785 rupees came. That means, actually, whenever you are taking tickets, observe your recollect your what childhood time. Whenever you're traveling bus, your mom is taking tickets. At the time, conductor coming, na, what they said? No ticket, ille. Small kid, still what? Taking what? Milk only. No food. 3 years only. Then standing. Then started, off ticket started, off ticket, off ticket, off ticket. 10, 12, 13 years coming. Then mom says what? Off ticket only. Off ticket. Age kitna? How much age? Just 7 crossed 8 only. Small kid. Very good. Off ticket. Right? Based on the age, what happened? The ticket is maybe no ticket, maybe off ticket, maybe full ticket, right? That classification, how programming language required. On conditions we have to write and we have to check. Then observe one more point. Here how 785 comes in the sense, so this amount comes because of what? These things. Actual cost is 635 rupees. Now service charge 30 rupees. Toll gate charge 40 rupees. Levies amount 60 rupees. So bank transaction 20 rupees. By adding all these things, you will get a cost of what? 785 rupees. Why that much cost in a sense? Because of these reasons, the cost increased to 785 rupees. This is calculation part. How to do the calculation? For this purpose, we need to go for what? Programming language. All this calculation, I have to do it. Banking applications, hospital, whatever the application you can take, everywhere logics common. To get the logics, we need programming language. So we went for what? Programming language. To store the data, database. Display the data, UI and React.js. Total 3 parts available. Front end, middle, and back end. Back end is your database. Now our target is what? Sir, we are learning UI separately. Then programming language separately. Database separately. Now our target is what? With the help of these three, combine, develop an application. I have to combine the front end, backend, and server. All three combined develop one web application. If you want to do like that, you need a framework. That framework is called Django. Actually, Flask, Django. So like we have different what frameworks available. We can use anyone, no problem. But Django is the most popular framework, guys. Django is the most popular framework. To become a full stack developer, you should focus on these areas, guys. No, sir, not that one. I want to become data analyst. Oh, fine, good. If you want to become a data analyst, focus on what? Excel plus PowerPoint plus Power BI. You need to learn these things. This is the basic one. Excel, because our main target is what? Visualization. So for the sake of visualization, you have to learn these things. No, sir. My target is data science. Fine, good. Data science. Here, a lot of things involved, guys. Machine learning plus deep learning plus artificial intelligence, Gen AI plus stats required, of course, plus R language required. These things required, right? So, and this is your roadmap, guys. This is your roadmap. If you want to learn your courses, this is your roadmap. Python database is common for everyone. Later, if your target is what full stack, go for first line. Data analyst, go for second one. Data science, go for third one. All three not required. Any one course, learn it. Full stack, data analytics, or data science. Any one course is enough. Not all three, right? Now the question is, in interview time, the question comes. First of all, roadmap clear, everyone? Any doubts in the roadmap? No, right? In the last session, I explained this roadmap only. The last session, I explained roadmap. Now let's see one by one. So here, first option is Python, right? If you go for interview, the first question comes, what is Python? Sometimes in interview, some people will ask you question call. Actually, there is one more available like this. C Python. C Python available. So interview time, sometimes they will ask what is Python. Don't think that's something else, man. Okay. Python means actually their intention C Python. Okay, that's the reason they are using that word. Don't confuse. Okay, in order to confuse you, they use this type of words. Actually, say C Python, C language, starting Python. First generation of Python, C Python. Later, they change it as only Python. They didn't use C because people will change it as what Python becomes Pythons. That's the reason they removed this one. Right now, Python. Everyone is using a word called Python. In interview time, you will get a question called what? What is Python? This is a quite common question. Everyone will ask this question, guys. If you go for any interview, most common question is what is Python, right? So answer required. The reason is, if you observe the books, if you check for the books, you are going to get a different answers, guys. Some books you will find like this: Python is a functional programming. Some areas you'll get Python is a object oriented programming. Some books you'll find Python is a high level programming. Some books you will get Python is a what scripting language. That means observe, you can check the books, you will find different, not will mind robust language. Like we are going to get different definitions, not one. In your textbooks, you are getting these different things. Sir, why these many definitions? Generally, one question is how many answers has to give? Only one answer only, not multiple answers. So, but here we have multiple answers. Sir, I need only one answer, not multiple answer. Sir, what is the right answer here in the sense? Still, the reason is why we have these many in the sense. The reason is, sir, our programming language is Python. Good. By seeing this one, we thought that Python, one programming language, so that's it. But observe the usage of this Python. Actual usage of the Python, let's check for usage of the Python. The Python is single programming language, but we can use in multiple areas, guys. So by using Python, we can develop desktop applications. By using Python, you can develop desktop application. By using Python, we can develop web applications. If you want to do data analysis, yes, Python is required. Sir, my target is what? Machine learning, you can go for Python. Deep learning area, Python is required. Artificial intelligence area, Python is required. Completely, I can say data science. In data science, all areas, Python is required. Okay. Cyber security. Cyber security area, Python is required. Some people BTech, there is a specialization available. BTech CSE, BTech cyber security, Python is mandatory. BTech data analyst, Python is required. BTech data science, Python is required, right? So even if you observe outside, there is an option called like what testing tools. Generally observe as a student, their fear is what? Sir, coding, Achanai sir. So I don't know the coding, sir. I need a course, no coding. There's a reason, if you observe Amirpet Road, there is a big boards are available. They say zero coding, no coding, go for what? Testing. Good. In testing, two options available. One is called what? Manual testing. Second one is what? Automation. Manual testing almost ended, guys. Right now, nothing. Now, next option is what? Your Selenium tool. To learn Selenium tool, there compulsory in previously, the student has to learn Java. If you know the Java, then only Selenium code is possible. Otherwise, not possible. Then where is zero coding? So they clearly mention that, do you know Java? No, sir. Then you can't learn Selenium. First learn the Java, then only come to Selenium. Java is very, very difficult. I can't learn Java. That's the reason the candidate is looking for testing tools. But what you said? Go there, learn it. If I am able to learn Java, why I came to you? Problem. So Now scenario changed. Instead of Java, your Selenium tool members looking for some alternative. Then Python enter into the picture. Whatever the things Java can do, everything Python also can do. So in testing tools, they use Python and they are going to write the scripts. So not only that, AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS means what? Amazon Web Services, like cloud computing, guys. So there also what happened? Actually, there are some tools available. Boto 3, one tool available. The Boto 3 completely we have to write with the help of Python, guys. And then DevApps. Did you heard DevApps? Outside boards also available. DevApps, like that. So actual DevApps means it is not a single team. It is a two teams work. Development team, operational team. Two teams available. These two teams combination DevApps are available, guys. Right now, the problem with DevApps is what? So in the DevApps, they need to write automation related tasks. Generally called CI/CD pipelines. People use word called CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous development word. This type of words they use it, right? They need to write the code. Which language they have to use in the sense? Linux, Groovy. There is a language called Groovy. Linux, Groovy language they have to use, they have to develop. But coding is always difficult, guys. There's a reason right now what they do. In order to do their scripting, they are going to use what? For Python. There's a reason Python right now used in where DevOps also. And if you want to do any R&D, what is R&D? Research and development, guys. If you want to develop any new things, research and R&D is mandatory. So if you want to do any R&D, some companies, what they are doing, product-based companies, they are doing R&D and they prepared a product. That product released into market. For every R&D area, what is required in the sense? Your Python is required. And not only this, like what your Python is used, what not in one area, multiple areas, guys. So because of these reason, because Python involved not one area, multiple areas. Because of this reason, a BTech candidate needs Python. BCom candidate needs Python. So microbiology candidate needs Python. BSc student needs the Python. CA candidate needs the Python. MBA candidate needs the Python. Everyone needs what? Python. Reason is what? Python is not developed for the sake of single purpose. Python is developed for the sake of what? Multiple purpose. So because of these reasons, just now I show you why the Python leads the market right now in the sense, because this is the reason. Python is looking wise. It is a single programming language. By seeing it is a single programming language, but the involvement, if you observe the involvement, it is not involved in one area. It involves in multiple areas. These all are what? Different areas. These all are different areas. So if you know Python, the advantage of Python is what? If you know Python, so you can work on what? All these areas you can work, guys. It is easy to work on any area. These all are the different area. So imagine I'm a one programmer, I'm one developer. Imagine I'm one developer. What type of developer? Desktop application I'm developing. Then you came to me and you asked, sir, what is Python? My role is what? Desktop application, right? Now, if you came to me, if you ask, I will say that sir, Python is a functional programming language. No, my target is what? Sir, I am developing web applications. You came to me and you asked, what is Python? Then I said what? Python is object programming. I'm a AWS DevOps candidate. Then you came to me and asked, what is Python? Scripting language. That means how you are using that difference. According to that, the name changed. But interview time, sir, interview time, what I have to say the answer? These many definition. Interview time, what you have to do? You have to inform that Python is a, right? My interview time, inform that Python is a general purpose programming language. I repeat, interview time, If anyone asks, what is Python? Without second thought, give this answer. Hey, what is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language. Interview, anywhere, if anyone asks what is Python, without second thought, directly you can give answer as what? Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. That's it, right? So interview time, you will get this question. First one is, what is Python? What is the answer? Python is a general purpose programming language. Then next question, what they will ask, why Python? I'll give just 1 minute time. Just check these things. Just 1 minute time. Verify these things. At least you need to explain 4 to 5 concepts. Interview time, at least you have to inform 4 to 5 areas. Let's, now let's see. The second question, they will ask you a second question. Why you choose Python? Why you choose Python? First question is what, ma? What is Python? Second question is what? Why you choose Python? Tell me, guys. Here, first option is what? What is Python? General purpose. Why you choose Python? Right? माँ आप बोलिए, why you choose Python? क्यों Python चाहिए? Definition. Okay. Why you selected Python? Java, .NET, C, C++. ज्यादा लैंग्वेज रहता है ना, आप क्यों Python सेलेक्ट करते? It is easy, right? Okay. आप बोलिए, మీరు చెప్పండి, ఎందుకు Python సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు? ఓకే, మీరు क्यों आप प्रोग्रामिंग क्यों पाइथन सेलेक्ट करें? जावा, .NET ज्यादा लैंग्वेज रहता है ना, क्यों पाइथन सेलेक्ट करें आप? रीजन क्या है? ఓకే, మీరు చెప్పండి, మీరు ఎందుకు పైథాన్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు? ఓకే, గుడ్. మీ పక్కన మీరు చెప్పండి, మీరు ఎందుకు పైథాన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం? ఓకే, మీరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ వస్తే మీది యూజర్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ, వెరీ గుడ్. ఏ కోసం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం మీరు? లాస్ట్ సింటాక్స్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుందని నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు, వెరీ గుడ్. So here the target is what? Sir, generally interview time the most common question is why Python instead of other languages. Okay, answer we have to give an answer. Let's see. If you say that in interview time they ask for the same question, you said that sir Python is easy, that's the reason I shoot sir, I selected sir. Then are you getting job? Does it promoted for next round? Then next question, oh it is easy, that's the reason you selected. Tomorrow any tough project comes to my company, you left my company, right? So I don't want you, you can leave. So don't say answer as what? It is easy. Because if you say answer as it is easy, then that's it, we book it. Interview time, actually the original reason is what? Easy only. But on that day you have to do what? Some management, right? Like how you do your practical exams. Remember practical exams? BTech time, degree time. So actually we don't know anything at the time, but I have to participate. External will come. Okay, we went inside, nothing comes for us. Then what we'll do? Managing everything, super management. Then Viva started. In Viva time, your external will ask question. Do you know the question? Ille, he asked some question. Then we said, yes, sir. Like a lot of management you did, finally you done the answer. Program, ille, but you managed like that here also, guys. Okay. So interview time, what you will do, inform that, sir, Python is a single language, but which involved in many areas. Python involved many areas. That means there is always a scope to upgrade ourselves. There is always a scope to upgrade ourselves. That's the reason I choose Python, sir. Okay. So here you have to provide the answer as what? Sir, first answer. So Python. Python. So what it will do? Involved in many areas. Many areas. That means we can what we can upgrade ourselves. Python involved in many areas, so we can upgrade ourselves. Python is a single programming language which involved in many areas, so we can upgrade ourselves. We can upgrade ourselves, guys. That means there is always chance to upgrade ourselves. So there is no end here, guys. If you join in the company as a full stack developer, work full stack developer, generally every 1 year they are going to give a hike. So after finishing of 1 year, what you will do, mention that I know Power BI or I know data analytics. Then double hike comes. 2 years done. Then after 2 years, what you will do? Again mention what? Yes, sir, I know ML, machine learning. Then along with regular hike, extra hike comes. Then mention I know AI. Then again hike comes. Like that. So always there is a scope. So that's the reason. So that's the reason I choose what? Python. You have to explain the usage of the actual work of Python in interview time. Interview time, be careful, guys. Right? Ah, sir, okay, sir. In Python, what we have to discuss? Because we said that Python involved in many areas, right? So in Python, what concepts we are going to cover? In the sense, in the Python, let's see, guys. So let me show you the concepts. Actually, entire Python, we divided into 4 models, guys. What are the Python we have? The entire Python, we divided into 4 models. Observe the 4 models. So the entire Python, this is your entire Python syllabus. Ma? The entire Python, we divided into 4 models. So model 1, model 2, model 3, guys. Actually, model 1 target is what, ma? It's like a basic level, guys. Model 1 target is what? Basic level. Okay. That means generally whenever we came to learn any subject, some students know the coding. Some student zero knowledge in the coding. Some students IT background only, they're unable to understand the concept. Some student what they are doing, question given, an immediate answer they can do it. Means if already explain. If I explain here, the same program if I give, you are able to do it. If any new question comes, any new program comes, unable to do it. So first our target is what we need to learn the basics, the pillars required. The first model is like that. And while learning the concept, for example, there is a concept called what? So basic tokens variable. Variable is a concept. Generally, everyone how they are giving variable, the definition comes. So then one example, a equal 5. Then variable concept then went for next concept, programming. But here what I will do, in interview time, if they ask, you need to inform the purpose. Purpose is very, very important. Why variable? Why variable? Where we have to use variables? Simple answer. Variable purpose is if I want to store a value, I need variables. If I want to develop program is nothing but what? Operations. If I want to perform operations, values required. First, I have to store the value, then I have to perform operation, right? Total marks. To calculate total marks, I want to calculate total marks. If I want to calculate total marks, first I ask what, give me the marks. If you give the marks, then I can calculate. You are giving marks, right? Subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks, subject 3 marks. So you are giving 3 subject marks. First store, then do it. To store, what required? Variables required. Let's see practically. For example, in the same example, guys, tell me, without enter these values, does your ticket is booked? So mobile number required, and this mobile number, does the what this particular portal has to save or not required? Mobile number saved or not saved? Saved, right? Then only what happened? The bus driver collected your mobile number. Whenever he reached to stop, observe whether coming or not coming up. Imagine due to some reason you late, call to you. So where are you? Already bus reached. Come fast. I will stay only 5 minutes like that. Without mobile number, then what happened? Problem start. Then email ID. They have to send ticket information to your mobile number, WhatsApp, as well as email ID and age, name. All these details required. So mobile number I have to store. Email ID I have to store. Gender I have to store. Sir, why I have to save gender information? Imagine one of the seat booked by what? Male. Observe in this one. Guys, what is yellow color? In this one, what is yellow color? Ladies. What is normal this one? This is booked. Maybe what generally what? Male only booked. Single seat means male only. Okay, good. Now observe. Sir, why gender I have to save? Here, one seat is empty, ma. This seat is empty only. I want to book the seat. As a male, I want to book the seat. As a male, tell me guys, is it possible to book a seat beside of a female? They never allowed, guys. So as a male, you are not allowed to book a seat beside a female. Select. Okay. Now, one seat remove. Select. Wait. Okay. Select. Here, whenever you are selecting, so somewhere else you will get a message saying that, observe by default, here, what is the option occur? That means beside of a female, I repeat, beside of a female, only a female is allowed. Others are not allowed. If you store your gender, then only I have to do that operation, right? Store the data. To store the data, what is the concept required? Variables required. See, one concept I'm taking, I open a website, I show you some requirement, and then I will explain the points. Like this entire syllabus, whatever the syllabus I show you here, this entire syllabus, what I will do, not like a college days. College is what happened? One heading, theory going on. If I did like that, there is no use for you. If I ask Google Tally, please give me Python. It will give you a lot of pages. What is the use of theory? Our target is what? Every concept, take one point, check for real-time scenarios where it is using, how to use it, how to develop projects. This is our actual target, right? So, like variables, programming, print, how to display the data, how to collect the data from end user. Like the module 1 is fully focusing on basics. It's like a pillars. Sir, module 1 is finished. Once module 1 is finished, then we are going to enter into module 2. As part of the module 2, yes, ma'am, little bit advanced. So here, in just before in what ticket time, if I entered 10 years, 11 years, half ticket comes. 13 years, 14 years, full ticket comes. The condition, age is, age is less than 12 years, half ticket, otherwise full ticket. Two options. Less than 12 years, half ticket. Otherwise, go for full ticket. Two options then. To verify like this one, what is required? Your control statements required. And we will discuss about data structures also, right? These parts comes under what? As part of your model 2. Data structures, control statement comes under model, little bit intermediate level. This is basic level. Model 2 is what? Intermediate level. And then once model 2 is done, then I will give you 2 projects for, not one project, 2 project works I will provide. And I will explain how to use AI, artificial intelligence, in our Python. How to use artificial intelligence in our Python. Then advanced level, model 3, object oriented programming related concepts. So, and then model 4, this completely a real time related scenarios. So how to collect the data from files, from databases, how to store in the real time database. That means here if I did transaction, sir, continue clicked, and then payment done, all this data saved where in database. How to do that one? That operations I will explain how to store in the databases. Advanced topics, lambda functions, tools, libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, these all we will discuss. And then here, once it is done, then I will explain real-time project work. I'll give you a real-time project work, as well as for everyone, I'll give you what project work I provide in a real-time project. If you done that one, then again 2 more project I will provide. If you done one project, I will give 1 more project. If you done that one also, I will give 1 more project. That this process is continue, guys. And I will explain you how to prepare resumes, how to search for jobs, how to send your resume to the companies, how to prepare interviews, and mock interviews also will conduct. This is what your syllabus, guys. Along with these, what I will do for you. So actually, what happen here? Daily, I will take only 1 hour session. Daily, I will take only 1 hour session. Class 1 hour. Our brain capacity is 1 hour only. Don't go for what? Finishing of the syllabus. If I take 2 hours, so actually the course full stack Python, it will take 5 months time period. If I take 2 hours, na, the full stack Python, it will finish what? 3 months only. But syllabus finished, you didn't get anything. So only 1 hour class is enough. Then what I have to do, sir? Remaining timing. Here the remaining timing, observe. Here the process is daily class timings are 1 hour. Class 1 hour. Next, I will conduct an exam, guys. Daily exams. Sir, exam is 1 hour. 1 hour class and 1 hour exam. Whatever the class we discussed, based on the class, we have an exam, guys. And then lab work. Actually, labs are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Labs are open, guys. So your target is what? Minimum 2 hours you should be there in the lab. Minimum 2 hours. Okay. So whatever the timing it might be, doesn't matter. Minimum 2 hours you should be there in the lab. Sir, I'm free in the hostel, sir. I will stay morning to evening. Very good. Your previous batch student, there is a candidate who, she came from Maharashtra. One of the students, she came from Maharashtra. So what she is doing? Hostel, no works. So morning, 10 to 11, her class. Class finished. Then went to lab. And she's staying lab on lab to what? 5 o'clock. And she said, sir, I don't have any works in the what hostel, sir. What I have to do in the hostel? I will stay here only. Oh, very good. Stay there only. So once I gave some task, if she done the task, I give another task. I informed the mentors if they have any doubt, she has any doubt, I informed the mentor to clarify their doubts. Then once task done, again give the new task. Then they are doing checking, giving another task, done, another task done. Like that, she is going on. Practicing morning. She came here at 9:30. Actual class time is 10. She came here by 9:30, 9:40 like that. Evening up to 5 o'clock, she is practicing on. And along with Maharashtra candidate, one more girl, I forgot the name. She is a local candidate only. Just intermediate pass. Now she's planning for BTech. Now holidays, what she will do if go to home? Nothing. So still MSET result, I mean, next target BTech, MSET one, then what college selections, then checking. So what one counseling, 1, 2, 3, like lot of things are there. She is also staying up to 5 o'clock. And what 3 boys also staying there only. They're what BTech finished and they're looking for jobs. Right? Because it's all about your interest. But minimum 2 hours you have to stay. Okay. How much time you can spend? We don't have any problem. So this is class exam lab as well as, so we are going to focus on your communication skills. Yes, communication skills in the sense, don't think that English. Communication skills means whatever we are explaining, if opposite person able to understand, it is called as what? Communication skills, right? As part of the communication skills, we are going to focus on group discussions, GD, and then jam sessions, seminars. Okay, these three are mandatory, and one-to-one interaction. And for online members, okay, online members, like you are providing what? Online doubt clarification sessions also available. Here offline, your mentors available to clarify your doubts. For online also will assign some timing. In that timing, you can connect. So our mentors will clarify your doubts. And mock interviews. Mock interviews are common, guys, right? If you are practicing all this, then only what happened tomorrow, if you go for interview, you are able to open the mouth. If you didn't practice, tomorrow if you go for interview, you didn't do anything. Learning subject important, along with that, giving answers also important. So these are quite common tasks. And grand test. Grand test. So 1 week finished it. 1 week related, one exam. 2 weeks finished it. 2 weeks related, one exam. So 3 weeks done. 3 weeks related, one exam. Grand test. So the all points are revised. You can check all Amirpet, all any area, guys. Subject means what they are doing. Sir, one PPT open, reading the content. Then they said, okay, you can leave today. I will send the PPT to your mobile phones. Coming, sitting, watching, nothing coming, guys. What we have to do, come, sit. I will explain concept. I will explain on program. Then I will go on program as a task. I'll come to you. I will verify your notes, whether you are doing or not doing. You are facing any problem. If you're facing problem, I explain one more time. Because some students able to understand one time. Some student needs 2 times explanation. So observe, if you need, second time explain. Still some students are unable to understand second time also. Then we will go for lab. In the lab, I'll inform the coordinator to take a special care. Then they will explain, they will give guidelines, then you can do it. Like that, the process will go on, guys. Right? So this is what our process. Here we have lot of work, guys. I repeat, here we have a lot of work. It is, I'm not entertained like what coming, sitting, watching screen, going to your homes. I'll give you task, a real-time scenarios. For every concept, I'll open a website, I'll show you that, and we are going to develop that. So that those project you can mention in resume. And we are going to provide a certificate. That certificate also you can mention resume, guys. And this is Sathya Technology Institute, almost 25 years finishing now. It is not 1 year back, 2 years back institute, almost 25 years finished. So every company knows about our certificate. It's always valid. Some institutes are there in outside, what they are doing, come, just 5,000, no problem. Like they will collect people, having what 100 members. Some institute, no students also. So only 2 students to 3 students. They said what, come, today demo, tomorrow demo, day after tomorrow, every day demo. People will give a word everyday demo in entire Amirpet, because people will come different requirements. So in entire Amirpet, what are the courses available in Google? All courses kept in the brochure. Yes, for you, all courses I'm going to explain. Duration, sir, 3 months bus. So 3 months, 4 courses katam. Acha, nice. How they will teach you within 3 months entire course. You join. They said, wait, there is some technical issue. Wait for 1 week. You are holding. Next 1 week, again 2 more members. Next 1 week, you join today. After 1 month, your classes will start. Then problem, your holidays katam. Problem. But this is not like that, ma. So this is Sathya Technology Institute, almost 25 years finished. And our classroom is, this is our classroom. We are not going to change the classroom. This is our classroom, guys. So this is classroom. And once class is done, we'll go to the labs. For lab, separate building is there. Whatever the things I said, na, everything are going to done there itself. So total 3 buildings available here. So this one classroom, when our companies came, sometimes companies came here, one more building is there. So their interviews are also going on. Sometimes company comes here, you have to participate. Sometimes they ask what, send me your data, we'll forward your data. So company directly called to you and they said, come to our company. Like that depends. So whatever the requirement is there, we have to follow that requirement. Clear, guys? And demo is finished. So today demo is finished. Now what we are doing, directly we entered for all courses, what is required? Python is common. For everything is Python is common, right? So Monday onwards, directly I will start what? Python. Guys, Python basic means what? What is Python? What is Python? How to install Python? That what? Enough. Don't go for what? The futures in your BTech level. Explain futures of Python. 10-mark question. 4 pages we can write. Interview time, no one will ask 10-mark question, short answers questions, 4-mark question. Interview time, no one will ask who is the grandfather of Python, father of Python, how many kids they have, now what they are doing. So these type of questions not required in interview time. So just to know what is Python, who developed the Python, enough. Who developed Python, enough. Don't go for beyond of that one. All these type of questions were unnecessarily wasting or killing your time. So Monday, directly I will start a concept called tokens. Monday, I will introduce a concept called tokens. After tokens, variables, then programming starting. That's it. Okay. I don't want to waste your time. Directly concept, right? Good, ma. So my 1 hour class done, ma. But now we have to write the exam, right? So today exam, what I'm asking, the basic questions called mathematic related questions, maths related questions I'm giving, guys. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, data analytics related question I provided. So first day, sir, second day, sir, write the exam, understand the process, you will get it now, right? Now, distance, maintain distance, last. Sir, pen also will provide. Don't worry, sir, pen also not there. We'll give pen, paper, everything will provide. Even first day also write the exam, then you can leave. Because you should understand how the pattern is. Yes, ma, online guys. That's it for today, and we'll meet Monday, guys. Monday at 11 o'clock. Monday directly I'll enter into tokens concept. Monday directly I entered into tokens concept, right? Yes, ma. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in chat box. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in chat box.